Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add audio in Canva. So if you're working on a video within Canva or you're creating a video inside Canva and that video doesn't have any background music and you would like to add some background music to spice up and give your video a nice vibe, then this is very easy to do. So as you can see, I have a video here of these three girls jumping and having fun, right? So I'm going to add some nice background music to it. And I would like to have something summerish, right? So that could be very nice. These girls are on vacation. They're having fun in the summer. And in order to do that, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and find audio on the left hand side. Now, there's something I want to mention as well, guys. Once you scroll down, you will find audio. But in case you're new to Canva and you don't have the audio on the left hand side, you just want to simply go ahead and click on apps and you can scroll down and you can find audio from here. And once you click on audio, guys, it's going to go ahead and add it here. And this goes for any application that you're currently using on Canva or you want to use in Canva. If you're not able to find it, you can easily go ahead and add it there. So let's take, for example, I would like to use the translate, for example, and I don't have it here. I click on it and you will see that it is now added to the left hand side for me here. And I can always go ahead and close them if I don't want it here, if it's too much. So you can do it, guys, and add them there and remove them, right? So that's how you go ahead and find the audio. Now, once you find the audio, guys, you can easily go ahead and look for whatever music you want. Keep in mind that if you are using the free version of Canva, you want to go ahead and, let's say, filter it so that you can find free music, and you can simply go ahead and click on the filter here, and then you can simply click on free. But currently I am using the paid version so I can see everything, right? So if you're using the free, just simply click on free and then just go back and you'll be able to find all of those free music, right? To tell the difference between the paid and the free is that the paid one has the pro and the crown there. But I'm going to go back to filter and I'm going to leave it just like that. And I'm going to search for something summer. So I'm going to type in summer, for example, and I'm going to find that music. And in order to add that music here, all I have to do is just simply go ahead and click on the music and it will add here to the timeline. Now, once I add the music to the timeline, you can play it. And once you have the music here, you can play it. You can always go ahead and adjust the music as you like as well. So you can click the three dots here, give you some options here within it, and you can simply go ahead and you can click on multiple things here. So as you can see, you can find volume, you can find split, you can even do adjust by cutting it. As you can see, the icons are showing you. You can delete the track, you can duplicate the track, you can copy paste, etc. But for the volume, you can click on that and you can always adjust the volume to your liking. You can even turn it up to 400%, right? But I'm going to simply go ahead and reduce it there to about 51%, 50%, right? So this is how you can easily go ahead, guys, and add the music to your video within Canva. Now, guys, once you're ready and you're finished with your video, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on share and then click on download. You want to ensure that MP4 is selected, and then you can simply hit the download button to download the video that you just created. And that's all there is to it. Keep in mind that Canva will take a little bit of time to download the video. It's not so fast, right? Depending on your internet connection, it can take a couple minutes, maybe 2 minutes, 1 minute, depending. Sometimes it's very fast, sometimes it's laggy, but you get the idea. This is how you can easily go ahead and add music. As you can see, mine is finished and I can play this with the music behind it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and remove my headphones for the moment there, and I'm going to play this video so that you can hear it. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply play a small preview of this video so that you can hear the music that I just added to my video in Canva. And that's it, guys. That's how you easily add music to your videos within Canva. Give this video a like, guys. Let me know in the comments below and hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.